this is all the materials I'm used to make this Christmas crown. Hello everyone and welcome to a new video tutorial with GretaWings. Today I want to teach you how to make this Christmas crown. The principal materials that I'm used is 100% acrylic yarn medium 4. It's about 4 millimeters. The colors green and red. The green one is for the crown and we will need approximately 130 grams. And the red one is for the bun and we need approximately 50 grams. Remember, you can use the material you prefer, but if you want exactly this one, in the description below I will share with you the link to my favorite items on Amazon and you will find it there. For the flower, I will use 100% cotton yarn. It's about 3 millimeters. The only reason I'm using cotton yarn on this project for the flower is because in that time, when I'm designing this crown, I don't have the red colored yarn in acrylic medium 4. It's the only reason. Then you can use acrylic for all the project. With acrylic yarn, I will use 4.25 millimeters hook. Remember, if you change the hook, maybe the size on your project will be bigger. And with the cotton yarn, I will use 2.5 millimeters hook. We need scissors, wool needle, and glue. Sometimes you can just sewing and doesn't use glue, but it's very easy using glue. It's fast. But you can use whatever glue that you prefer. I will use exactly this crown to put it on the door, but the next tutorial on this channel will be the same base of the crown, but for Advent crown. Then if you haven't subscribed yet on this channel, what are you waiting for? I invite you to do it and activate the bell, and then you will receive notification every time that I upload a new video. Then let's see another materials that I will use. You can find something like this on the craft area on the market. Exactly this one is 14 inches for 14 inches. You can use this material or you cannot use nothing. In the beginning, I'm thinking using this and stuffing, but later I changed the idea and only use this piece with the crochet. But I will give you another idea in case you don't have this. You can use a small foam. If you use exactly this one, is the smaller. Every time I see two size, then the smaller one will be okay with the piece that I'm crochet for the crown. Okay, exactly the same size. Then if you don't have nothing like that, not the first piece and the foam, you can also do it something similar just using some wire. This one is very strong. But remember, if you need the ground for the door, you need something strong for the base. If not, if you made this crown for Advent crown, with only stuffing will be enough. With this tutorial, I will teach you how to make the base for the crown, okay? Because we already have a tutorial to make the bun and the flower. In the description below, I will share with you two links, one for the bun and the another one for the flower. I think it's not necessary to share it again. Just make the base for the crown, see how to make the union, and then later you can make the rest of the piece. I made 3 flowers in total, but you can make as many flowers as you prefer, and also you can put another details. I hope you wanna do this crown, and if it's like that, let's start. Using green colored yarn, acrylic yarn, and 4.25 millimeters hook, let's start with a slip knot, and then 31 chains. If you feel like your chains are smaller than me, you can use, for example, like 4.50 millimeters hook. You can change. Then just make 31 chains on the beginning. When you finish 31 chains, you can start on the second chain from the hook with one slip stitch. Every time I will take only the back loop, okay? Then after one slip stitch, one single crochet. And then 26 half double crochet. One half double crochet, 2, 3, and just continue doing half double crochet, 26 in total, and you will have 2 chains more at the end. This is the half double crochet number 26. Then one single crochet and one slip stitch. And that's it. We already finished the first round. On round 2 and on the next round, one chain 2 up, turn the piece like this, and then just taking the back loop, one slip stitch, the chain is only 2 up, okay? On the next stitch, one slip stitch, one single crochet, and 26 half double crochet, 1, 2, just continue doing half double crochet, 26 in total. After that, let's make one single crochet and one slip stitch. Again, round 3, one chain on the beginning, turn, one slip stitch, one single crochet, 26 half double crochet. Just continue repeating exactly the same on the next rounds. I made 100 rounds in total. Don't worry, because it's 100 rounds in total. It's not too much. If you watch some movie, some TV show, you will see that you will finish very fast. When you count, you will get the 100 rounds. It's easy, fast to make this design, and you will get the circle. Making one single crochet and one slip stitch in each side, you will get the circle very easy. With 100 round, for me is enough. Remember, if you use some base bigger, you need make more rounds. Okay? Then when you finish, just make one chain for secure and cut the yarn, leaving enough yarn because we will make the union with both the beginning and the end, and later we will close in the center. Okay, pay close attention. I will close it like this. If you want to close different, you can also do it. It's not very important. If some detail is not very doesn't look good, later you can put the bone on the top, and that's it. And I will take just the front loops on this side and the base of the first round. The front loops on this side and the base of the another side. Just like that. I'm showing you again. The front loops here. Making like that looks very good on the another side. And I want to show you that because maybe later you can use it in another project like that. Okay? But it's not very important. The most important thing is just close. When you finish, just secure using the thread from the beginning. Just secure like that. And then turn the piece. I prefer this size. It looks very good. Here is the closer. But you can use whatever side that you prefer. Just accommodate it and put the wire or the thing that you will use to get the best crown. Because this piece is like elastic, it's easy, just put the piece later. If you think your crochet is different, then you can put the piece first and later close. Okay? Now you can see that I will try close and put stuffing. And later I decide doesn't put stuffing. I really like how it looks without stuffing. I can see the stitches beautiful. But depend, if you like with stuffing, you can follow and make it like me the first time. And later you can see how I take off the stuffing and I close again. Okay? Pay close attention and decide what you like more. Let me know in the comments. And remember, if you finish this project, you can share your final result on the community on this channel. Okay? Then pay close attention and you can see everything is very easy and fast to make. Remember, you need to see the another videos to make the bun and the flowers. And later you can make the union like this or however you prefer. Honestly, I will not use glue. I will only use pins because I want the same base of the crown for the advent crown. Just for that reason. But you can only sew it or use glue on this position and that's it. It's easy. It's a fast project for this Christmas. Also, depend how you will put on the door, for example. Maybe you need put some another. For example, you can make chains and put it on the top, to hanging. I'm so sorry. I think it's like that. You can make like a triangle here. The same like we made with the pictures at home. But depend because sometimes we bought some accessory that we put it on the door and doesn't not that's no doesn't affect the door. Depend, but that is very easy. That's it. We already finished this Christmas crown. I hope and you really enjoyed this video. If it's like that, let me know with your like and your comment. And if you haven't subscribed yet on this channel, I invite you to do it and activate the bell, and then you will receive notification every time that I upload a new video. Thanks a million for watching this one to the end. I'm really appreciate it, and see you on the next video tutorial. Bye.